Hey, so it's January 2nd in the morning here in Dubai, and I just woke up, as you can probably tell, and I just got the news that my friend Tom Torero has passed away. If you guys, those of you who don't know, he was a dating coach. And God, this sucks. There's a lot of speculation about how he died, and I'm not going to discuss any of that because I don't like to discuss rumors, I only like to discuss facts. But Tom was one of the few, and I mean this, okay, because I come out of this world, one of the few guys in the dating coaching space, the seduction space, the pickup artist space, whatever you want to call it, who was not a total asshole, not a total douchebag, not a piece of shit, didn't have rampant drug problems or alcohol problems, didn't have any anger management issues, which are so common in that world. He was just a normal, good guy. And he was a good friend of mine, and he was one of the few guys who was normal and just a good, honest guy, just a good guy. No one's perfect, including me, but I don't know how to feel about this. Maybe I'll make a full video on YouTube, BitChute, Rumble, etc. We're talking about Tom, but God, this sucks. He was one of the few guys that you know was a real person in that world, and so he he did business under the name Tom Torero, which is not his real name, and then later he did business under Black Sheep Bandit. I know he's taken down his websites. He would take his websites down because he would feel nervous about some of the press that he was getting, and they would take them down and then wait a while and then bring them back up. He and I talked about that, and again, I'm not going to discuss anything about what may or may not have happened in terms of him passing away. As I've talked about before, I'm on the other side of the table. I know things about certain people that you guys don't know. And so he and I just had several discussions about this. But I feel terrible, and I hate it. One of the few good guys is now not with us anymore. And I wish it was different. Anyway, maybe I'll do a video on this, something more full later. I don't know. See how I feel about it. It just sucks.